time. Lots and lots of time is the answer to the title of this video. Kind of. On this channel so far, we mainly just chat about gear, but every once in a while I like to throw a video like this in because what's the point of gear if we don't know how to use it, we don't know why we're using it, all of those more deeper questions that have an actual long-term impact on your filmmaking career. Now, going full-time as a content creator might seem insane to you. It sounds insane to a lot of people. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe you're already a full-time creator if you're watching this, but I'm here to tell you that it is entirely possible, and if I can do it, so can you. I went from starting out on like literally a $150 camera, like those handy cam things, to now owning my own business, having my own office space, and being able to create videos as my full-time job every single day. We are currently living in a digital revolution where there's never been a better time to be a filmmaker or a photographer or both. For the past few years, being a content creator has, yes, been extremely valuable, but after 2021, I think that value has just skyrocketed. So many businesses can benefit from video, and now everything is online and video is a necessity. So without further ado, if I had to boil everything down into 3 tips or 3 steps that I could give you if you want to go full-time as a content creator in 2020 and beyond, here they are, so let's dive in. Number 1, just commit. Decide that you're going to be a full-time filmmaker and go all in if you can. If you have a full-time job, before work or after work, learn everything you can about filmmaking, and not only just learn, but go out and implement what you're learning so that you can become a better filmmaker and eventually get paid for it. When I started making videos like literally 10 years ago, I spent every second of every day with a camera in my hand or behind a computer screen editing and just wanting to improve at making videos. Back then, I didn't know it would be my full-time career. However, I just leaned into this passion and spent all my time getting better at this thing that I really loved. If you are just now getting started, no matter what age you are, decide after watching this video, decide right now that you're gonna commit to making it a goal to one day going full-time as a filmmaker, as a content creator. Literally identify yourself as a filmmaker. Go put filmmaker in your bio on Instagram, or when someone asks what you do or what you are, don't be afraid to tell them you're a filmmaker, even if you're just starting. That's the law of attraction. If you eventually want to be a professional filmmaker and be full-time, you have to decide today that that's what you're going to be. The second step is to always keep learning. The most successful people in the world that own the largest and the most successful businesses are lifelong learners. For me, even though I'm currently running a 6-figure video production business, I still spend lots of money, lots of investments into online courses so I can continue my education and continue to better myself as a creator and just as a human being. If you want to ditch your current job, whatever that may be, or if you're not working yet and you want to be a filmmaker one day, put on your learning cap and never take it off, because there's a lot to learn, it's a lot of work, and you're gonna have to fall in love with that process of learning and excitement from learning new things if you wanna be successful. If you're here watching this video right now, then you're already doing that. Just keep it up, be consistent, learn every single day, and spend all your time learning and bettering yourself as a content creator. And the third step, and this one is probably the most important, I saved the best for last, get out of your comfort zone. Being able to pursue your passion every single day and call it your full-time career is no easy feat. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And the reason why everyone's not doing it is because they're afraid to put themselves on the hook. They want to be safe, they want to be off the hook. They don't want their friends and family to know that they're actually pursuing their passions, because, and this is what you're doing essentially, is you're going against the status quo, and that is uncomfortable. But that's what you're gonna have to do if you wanna go full-time in pursuing your passion, whatever that may be, filmmaking or not. For me, the moments in my life where I have felt the most pushed, the most uncomfortable, have always been the moments of the fastest growth and the most enjoyable, fun moments of my life looking back at them. My general rule of thumb when I'm especially jumping into something new is the more uncomfortable I feel, especially at first, the better my long-term results are usually gonna be and the most worth it those activities are going to be. It may seem a little bit counterintuitive to push what makes you extremely uncomfortable because from a human standpoint, we don't want to feel uncomfortable, but that's what you need to do if you want to go full-time as a content creator, especially in 2021 when the space is generally pretty crowded. I know this video was a little different. I guess I just felt like being a motivational speaker today instead of chatting about gear, like I said earlier, we normally do on this channel. If you want to see more videos like this and you want me to share more of my journey and more of my tips on how you can go full-time as a content creator, let me know down in the comments. I did a poll this week about it, and about 50% of the responses said that eventually they wanted to use their skills in filmmaking to make a business and go full-time and work for themselves. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.